Oh hi, Sean here, and today we're going to show you how to get a YouTube video. This is an audiobook. It's in FLV, it means it's a flash video, and I want to convert that to MP3. Open the Ubuntu Software Center and install Audacity. Okay, I already have it installed. Hit the dash home and Audacity here, and open your Audacity. We'll just see what version it is. It's version 2. Okay, don't show this at startup. I'm going to open this file on the desktop. I'm going to import this FLV. I'm going to take a little while. It's 2 hours long. So I'm going to pause the video until this is imported. Okay, this is opened in Audacity and you can play away. And just give me a wee sec now. I just want to check something here. Oh no, it doesn't play for some reason. Oh, it's playing, sorry.
In many ways, modern man, Homo sapiens.
Okay, sorry about that. It's just that it's so long, and you can see it's 2 minutes, or 2 hours 15 minutes long. Now, you see this where the plus sign comes here? Okay, you can make it right click or left click. Okay, and what I have is an MP3 player, but it won't resume every time, you know. So I want to cut this into 15 minutes lengths. So I'm going to just select left click and select the first 15 minutes, and I'm going to, over here you have cut, copy, paste. So I'm going to copy this file. I'm going to go new. It'll open new Audacity. I'm going to paste in that. Takes a little second. Paste, and you see the first 5 or 6 seconds it was empty. So I can just left click and select that, and just cut that out. See, now we have 15 minutes 16 seconds long. I can export that now. So file, and I'm going to export it. And you can see you can export. So I'm going to call it part 1, and you can name it whatever you want. So let's say if I open the home folder on the desktop, I just rename this and just copy that out. Paste that in. We know it's an audiobook, and I can go part 1, and we can save that then either as an MP3 or a WAV. So you want to burn it to a CD, you can save it as WAV, or have it as an MP3. Hit MP3 here. We're going to save it on the desktop, so it's part 1. Click save, click OK. It'll export it now. We'll pause now until that's exported. Okay, that's exported. We can X down this Audacity now. We won't save. Click no. And you see we're back here now. So again, we can left click and select our next part and copy. File, new again, and paste that in. So you just repeat that. Just cut out 15-minute sections. The reason why I'm cutting out 15-minute sections is because my car stereo won't play WAV anymore, and I was thinking of buying a new one, but it will play MP3, so I can put MP3 on a USB drive. So I just leave it in 15-minute sections, because once I stop the car and start the car again, it'll play the same section over and over again. So when I divide into different sections, I get more value out of it, as I say, and it's MP3. So we'll just go file again, and we're exporting that. You see you already have it named here. We call this part 2. Save as an MP3. Click save. Click OK. We let that export now, and I'll show you how to do it in if you want to burn it to a disk for WAV. Okay, that's the second part saved. X off this again. We won't save this. So now, okay, we know it's 2 minutes 15 long. So roughly it would be about 1 hour, and this will be about halfway here. So we'll select the whole halfway amount of that, and we're going to copy this. This is now for if you want it for a WAV, if you want to put it to a CD and play it in your CD player. We go File, and we go New, and we go Paste. Pause now. Okay, we know the first 7 seconds, so left click, move your mouse back, and just cut that bit out. So we know now this is actually down here. You can see if we it's 1 hour and 15 minutes long. This time now we go File and we go Export, and this will be part 1, of course. We'll have only 2 parts this time because we're going to save it in WAV, put it onto a CD. So that's it, .wav. Make sure you select it down here as a WAV. There's other versions you can select into. Probably WAV is for CD, it's kind of handy. And I'm going to save this and click OK. And you can see now it's saving the whole export as WAV. So I'll pause that now and show you how to burn into a CD. Let it run there for a minute. We're going to use Brasero Disc Burner to make an audio CD for this. I already have a blank disc in the machine, so I'll just we wait for this to finish now. I'll pause again. It's telling me I have low disk space, but I don't actually, because I've moved some files. So we'll pause that again now until it's done. Okay, that's done. I can X this part off. We're not going to save it. The second part, then you just select this much here. Go back to where you selected the first part. Again, copy, paste, new. We've done it before. So we'll minimize that for the moment. You see now we have a WAV. See it open with. So we're going to open up our Brasero. Create an audio project. To add files, or you can drag files in here. So I'm going to drag in this one. Okay, it's 1 hour and 7 minutes long, and it's 13 minutes free on the blank disk. And all I do then hit burn, maximum speed, temporary files is 1 gig free there in the temporary files. And I'm not going to burn it because I won't be using it as disk, as my CD player in the car doesn't work. So other than that, I would burn it to WAV. But that's how it's done. Very easy. I use that disk for something else, and I'm just going to move this to trash. I'm going to continue on with my 15-minute MP3s, and we'll open them, of course, with Audacity.
In many ways, modern man,
and you can see they work perfectly.
Sciences and technologies are...
Okay, that's how you do it with Audacity. And I'm going to leave this open because I'm going to finish off them. I think I'm going to have maybe 7 or 8 15-minute lengths, and I'll put them then onto a USB drive, or the car will also take an SD card